Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is
Poker Pickle Arthur.
And I am his Poker Dad.
Before we start, I'd like to give a shout out to John Raven.
Hi John, hope you're doing well. So, what did we do last time?
Last time we opened a 151 booster bundle.
We did, and we got some good cards in there. I'm really happy with the haul that we got. How many new cards did we get?
I think we got 19.
I think it was 19, including the Full Art Mr. Mime.
Yeah.
And what else?
Switch.
Got the Golden Switch card and
both the Zapdoses.
2 Zapdos EX cards. Yeah, so that was good. If you haven't watched that video already, go and check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So today we are going to discover the power of friendship with Lillie.
Yeah. We got this Lillie Premium Tournament Collection here.
By opening the, Lillie Premium Tournament Collection. So, let's get straight into it, shall we?
Yeah.
Right, I don't want to rip the box too much. Try and open it. Oh yeah, that's gone well.
Yeah.
Just put that. So let's see what we get in here. We've got this from the Pokemon Center.
Yeah.
So
we have got some dice.
Got some dice. If you play the game, there's quite a bit in here actually. What's this?
So here, looks like a nice Lillie sticker with her Clefairy.
Oh, a nice promo card there.
So, Lillie with her Clefairy there. It's quite cool.
Oh, nice. And what we got? Some card sleeves there.
Yeah, these are the designs on the sleeves if you want to see them.
And then a large metallic coin there.
Yeah, with Lillie's face on.
Very nice. And then we'll keep this box.
Yeah.
That'll be nice. So what's in this box here? What do you think?
I think the cards.
Oh, it's got a nice Velcro seal on that. I like that. Oh, we've also got these 2 coins there.
Coin counter things.
And we've got 6 packs by the looks of things.
It's quite a lot.
So we've got...
Here we've got 2 Journey Together.
Very cool.
1 Surging Sparks. 1 Twilight Masquerade. An Obsidian Flames. And a Paldea Evolved.
Very nice. So 6 packs to open. What are we hoping for?
From the Pikachu. Wait, what? From the Pikachu. From the Surging Spark. We're hoping for the Pikachu Full Art.
Which is a lovely card.
Yeah.
And cool. Anything else? I think there's one from the Journey Together that we'd like.
Yeah. The Wailord.
The Wailord. Yeah, there's a Full Art Wailord, which is very nice. So yeah, should we? It is a big Wailord, isn't it?
Yeah. Big.
Should we get into opening these packs? Which ones do you want to go for first? Should we have 3 each?
Yeah, let's have 3 each. I will have.
Which 3 do you want?
1 Journey Together, the Surging Sparks, and the Paldea Evolved.
Nice. So that means I get the other Journey Together, the Obsidian Flames, and the Twilight Masquerade.
Yeah.
You go first or second?
I'll go first.
Okay.
I'm gonna open these Paldea Evolved. Okay.
Nice.
Hopefully we get some good cards.
Fingers crossed.
Okay. So hopefully we get some good cards in these packs. Okay.
Do you want to... Anybody want to use the Pokemon Live card in there?
Yeah.
Go ahead. So what we got then?
A fighting type energy.
Nice.
A Sandygast. Oh, that's cool. A Tarantula.
Nice.
Murkrow.
I've always liked Murkrow. I've always been a fan.
Oh, I love this card. It's one of my favourite designs.
Mischievous.
Yeah.
It's good. Good card.
Ooh, that's cool.
Nice. What is it?
It's I don't actually know what that word is.
Therapeutic energy.
A therapeutic energy. A choice belt.
Nice.
Ah, Pormo. Parallel Azormaril. Parallel Mimikyu. Whoa.
Oh, cool.
Qianpao EX.
Very nice.
Yeah.
That was a good pack. I quite liked that.
Yeah.
Very good.
What are you going to open now?
I think I'm going to go for the Twilight Masquerade.
Good choice.
Let's see what we get in here.
Fingers crossed for some good cards.
So, there's your Pokemon Live. If you want to use it,
Yeah.
you're more than welcome. So we've got a Psychic Energy, a Lairon, a Snorunt, a Chimchar, a Pinsir. Love a good Pinsir. He's over there, look.
Oh, yeah.
There he is. A Rilladoom.
Rillaboom.
Rillaboom. Rilladoom.
Ooh, cool.
A handheld fan. Need one of them today. The weather in the UK is so hot.
Very, very hot.
Even when the sun's not out, it's muggy. It's just, definitely need a handheld fan.
A lot of people at school had those.
A Carmine. What, people at school had a handheld fan?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Maybe we should get one.
Yeah.
A Luxio. Parallel Luxio. Nice. A Parallel Poliwhirl.
I really like Poliwhirl.
I like Poliwhirl.
And its evolutions and stuff.
And
Oh!
Screamtail EX Full Art. Look at that.
EX Full Art.
That is a nice card. I'm liking that very much. Wow. Good pack that was.
Very good pack.
Excellent. Right. Moving on. What we got next?
We've got the Surging Sparks.
Surging Sparks, and we're hoping for the Pikachu.
The Pikachu.
Everyone knows which Pikachu it is.
Yeah.
So we'll keep our fingers crossed.
Keep our fingers crossed indeed.
See what we got then.
A Psychic Energy. A Slakoth. An Asleth. A Vigoroth to go with our Slakoth.
Nice.
A Centiskorch. Wochien. Cerulege, that's cool.
Awesome.
Chilty's a toy. Parallel Mantine, Parallel Alone Diglett.
And
ooh, the Cerulege EX.
Oh, that's nice. That's cool.
Got 3 EXs in 3 packs.
Very cool.
It's a lot.
Some good packs there.
Very good packs.
Okay, cool. Got so what's that? 3 EXs so far?
Yeah.
Yeah, and
got very, very lucky.
Wow, technically 4. So we've got the promo card as well. I'm gonna go for Obsidian Flames next. See what we can get from there. Yeah. Another EX would be good.
Yeah.
Be happy with that.
The first Pokemon card pack that I opened was Obsidian Flames, and I did get that.
That's 2 actually.
Full art Charizard.
And that was about a year ago, wasn't it?
Yeah, about a year ago.
Yeah. Yeah, I got the golden. It was the gold Charizard. This one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was complete good luck. That was
very good luck.
Right, so we've got your little Pokemon Live card. If you do that, you can use that. And let's see what we get here. So we start off with a Fire Energy from an Obsidian Flames pack. So let's hope it's good things to come. Let's hope it's a Charizard. And we got a Magnemite. An Eevee.
I like Eevee.
I like Eevee. Everyone likes Eevee. A Toadscruel. A Houndour. Ninetales.
That trio.
A Houndstone.
Rockruff Parallel.
Nice.
Froakie.
Froakie. And
a Toxicity. I don't know really how to pronounce it.
Toxtricity. Nice. Very good. So not quite an EX in that one.
No, but
you can't win them all.
Yeah, we've already got 3 EXs.
Can't win them all, but you've got to catch them all.
Yeah.
So what's up next? Is this... Oh,
I'm down to my last pack.
So we've got Journey Together's 2 left. 2 packs left. Doing well so far.
Doing very well, because we've got those EXs.
Yeah.
The Cerulege, the Screamtail, and the... I actually forgot what the other one was.
Chien-Pao, was it?
Oh yeah, it's Chien-Pao. Good cards.
Don't forget.
Yeah.
Another Pokemon Live card, if you want it.
Okay. See what we get. Steel Energy. Sprigatito. Silicobra. Oh, that's Hot Silicobra. Fungus. Oh. Ends do... I can't really pronounce that really. Ends Daramaka. That's a really cool card.
Escavalier.
Yeah, it's a cool card. It's Brock Scouting. Low kicks. Oh, I like that. That's a cool Ends Clang.
Nice.
Hops Cramorant.
Awesome. And
That's cool.
I've always quite liked Ludicolo. Very good.
And now it's time for the last pack.
Last pack. The journey together. Still time to get that Wailord.
Okay, hopefully we get some last pack magic.
Fingers crossed. Right, there is Pokemon Live redeem code.
Yeah.
And let's see what we get, shall we?
Yeah.
So we'll start off with a Fighting Energy, a Pancham, a Minchino, a Petilil, a Pillow-Swine.
Ooh, a Copper-Raja.
Oh, nice. N's Castle. N has a castle. Fancy. Oinkalange. A Furret. Whoa. Is that
Kilowattrel?
It's Iono's Kilowattrel. Nice.
I was not expecting that.
And N's Reshiram. So, let's do a recap of what we got.
Ceruledge EX. A Chien-Pao EX. A Full Art Screentail EX. And the Kilowattrel owned by Iono Full Art.
Nice. And of course,
this Lily's Clefairy EX
very nice
promo
card there. 6 packs, 5 good cards.
Yeah.
Which one was your favourite one that we got?
I really like the Iono's Kilowattrel.
I think Iono's Kilowattrel was my favourite as well. So, hope that you found the power of friendship with Lillie, and hope you enjoyed opening Lily's Premium Tournament Collection with Poker Pickle Arthur
and my Poker Dad. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And there's only one thing left to say, and that is...
See you next time.
Bye!